The United States alone has obstructed the establishment of a ratification mechanism for the Biological Weapons Convention, which poses a challenge to global biosecurity governance. The remarks are made by Liu Chong, director of the Institute of International Security Studies under the China Institutes of Contemporary International Relations. The BWC entered into force in 1975. It was forged essentially on a humanitarian basis to shield humankind from biological weapons, and it forbids the use of such weapons in war. Liu says since its inception, many positive results have been achieved. However, the United States' obsession with maintaining an advantage in competition with other countries makes it difficult for the international community to carry out relevant cooperation effectively.
美国现在它置国际社会的合理关切和怀疑于不顾，为了加强自己的所谓这个生物军事能力的优势啊，或者说它生物防御能力的优势，它就拒绝核查，大搞生物实验室的网络，实际上对于未来的这个国际安全合作是很负面的，这个是有损于全球安全的，同时我相信最终呢也是会损害美国自己的安全。
Liu says the world's major countries should deliver more public goods for global security, and there is really a lot of room for improvement in this regard for the United States.
我相信在这个其他领域，尤其是非传统安全治理领域，包括生物安全啊、人工智能安全啊这些领域呢，都应该从国际公益和大家的共同安全需求出发，解决这些迫在眉睫的安全风险，是吧？通过逐步的合作来积累互信，从而呢使人类永续和平、持久稳定，避免战争和冲突的风险。